O'clock a morning, you have send your daughter go bed. Dirt a kill Rosealee picking them. That's why Barbara did catch ringworm in her mouth. You can't argue with Muta. When Muta put your picking them on table and feed them. Don't bite the hand we feed, don't know. No, she believe the kids outside. Then give me your kids now. Cause we want to balance the argument. Bring your picnic them come give me. We want to balance the argument. Cause we have to throw in a generation. You know where you say, yeah, mix it. Yeah, talk about leave the kids them outside. Leave which kids, the terms them there. Me don't say Shanta go dash rebel 13-year-old and she go breed when she have 14. Yeah. We want to balance the argument. So if you know what me talk about Rosealee pitting them, give me yours. Remember the songwriter said, give me you. Everything else, they bring your pitting them. Shanta them can't wait. Bring them come. Me now ask him a baby appear like she draw in the picnic them in adult conversations for her child to tell lie. Barbara now go do it. You understand me? Because him put up resistance early. You understand me? Him now go do it, but Chantal like the bagger, so she will do it. That's why Chantal could never complete the conversation when Rosealee questioned her upon life. Why would you want to question your child about something that is traumatizing to the little girl in an open public? Why would you do that if it wasn't a setup? So you brought the baby into the adult situation in order to bring down Jakes, because Jakes isn't really Chantal's father. Yeah, so no look upon that in all are accountable for it, but now the argument got left. You understand me? It's not a bother anymore that the uncle had done something just to the little girl. It's no longer a bother. It's no longer a story. It's no longer a story. You understand me? So that brush underneath the floor. Yeah, it's no longer a story. So when the whole owner said, no, she believe the kids them outside, always remember said the mama drying the little girl and them say picking a tell lie in a court. That's why me no run baby joke. Me not like the picking them blows cause it all. I want to strip them, I want to take off them clothes off of the babies. Ask you, she brought the child to come tell lie upon Jake's brother. And the argument no go nowhere. All I know the child no get swab. All I know no keep no open up underneath Shanta. But she have her front a sending a one view. All I know. But you know why hear that part there, you know why hear the wickedness of the mother, you know? Oh, but Muta wicked. You know why hear the wickedness of the mother? That's why you look so dry and what? Brittle? Dry and brittle. I'm supposed to look dry and brittle and slim around the world. Who want to get big and fat? Look for Rosealee. Eh? Look for the people who come down for support Rosealee or the whole of them paper hangover. Me want to look dry and maga. Look here. Me want to look dry and maga. You saw all this fatter than me? Then when me could have go in my old state with weight. Answer the question. When me could have go, remember only for una fear wear corset. And no for una fear wear waist train. And no for una dress up on a band down belly. Me can't show clothes for me and step out with confidence. Not discreet. Look for me and then una cause but me dry up. Go lose some weight. A slim around the cut. Go lose some weight from people know me. Them never know me fat and plummy yet. Me never come on the scene fat and plummy. No cause me with my history. A slim and trim, me say, look on Rosealee. And you talk about my maga and dry up. Rosealee fluxy. And she still a try to lose weight. Come on now. Me look good from back ways though.
Yeah. Not good, no, man.
Me not lie. I was 300 and something. And now I am 200 and something. Yeah, then you could have really cost me about Rosealee around down. You could have really made me feel bad over that. Rosealee envy me for my shape. She envy me for my shape. No belly girl can chat to me. No big belly girl can chat to me. Remember, so on a dance shape, so.
What you put most of them?
Remember I saw a dance shape? One dance shape like a burger bread. Oh, them say me for knock up my knee.
Square up by the hand them. Square up by the
I saw fat heavy. Woo!
My God.
I saw a dance shape. I don't know why argue with me. Stop. And I see where Shanta come. So many all have a reason burger bread. I back paper burger bread. She not even favor the hot dog with the foot. Them say she favor T-Rex. Why? Me not tell you say Rosealee a hybrid. She a hybrid for sure. I want to argue with me. I'm stressed but you cheer me up. You have to make the rain wet me up. What we doing today? We not doing nothing.
What you wanna do?
I want to take over the world. Yeah. Fat for comfortable. Girl for fat and look comfortable. Me nah ask no question. Muta didn't lie. Muta never lie. Muta not tell no lie. I eat them eat the truth. Shanta is out where she not stop going man yard. Shanta full of feel up. She forgot beard. At first me see a little girl beard all 3 o'clock a morning. Her little crotch is supposed to stink and her panty crotch is supposed to black. Oh. You can't tell me Shanta supposed to walk and a drip like ice struck. Me nah ask none of no. She's supposed to have a sturdy case of infection underneath her when you're running, man. Remember, we live for seed on the app. I'll 3 o'clock a morning, the mother send the little girl. Me a bathe a morning. Yeah, 3 o'clock a morning, you have send your daughter go bathe. Dirt a kill Rosealee picnic them. That's why Barbara did catch wingworm in her mouth. You can't argue with Muta. When Muta put your picnic them on table and feed them. Don't bite the hand we feed, you know. Do not bite the hands that feed, you know. Come on, somebody. Oh God, take time with that. Huh? Who no come from my program, come tell me take time in the come and not shout. I'm not shouting, I'm not trying to convince, you know. Oh, so don't come from my program and tell me take time. I'm not trying to convince you guys. When Rosealee over there bust it up on the depend 1 rose, yeah this, yeah that. Yeah. So when time me attack and it about no, a good phone no. A good phone no. Yeah. Remember a little daughter bathe early morning. She not bathe this morning but she a bathe tomorrow morning after 3. Her little crutches want fix. Her little crutches want fix. Your daughter all stink, Rosealee. The little girl crutches stink. Infection build up in her hole one away. Catch off like a gunman. Oh, that you forgot fix. Yeah, your daughter have the same scent in her hole. And that you forgot fix. Remember, so no come out a good pum pum family. No curse can break in a phone hole, you know. No curse can break in a phone hole. I don't like it, but that's how it go. Endure it this morning. No enough to come for me. No enough to come for me. Rosealee just ate here when me open my mouth. But and when you done him over there preach, you should have listened to the gospel. You'd have go Shanta better. You never want to hear the gospel, you don't want to hear the truth. Then what you want to listen to R&B? Me just ask you something now, cause but anybody comfy, Shanta, you are there as the mother to stand in the gap for your children. You are there as a mom to stand in the gap for your children. You never know. Your picnic supposed to run come to you and say, Muta said this about me, but look how long Muta said. And because you don't have no traction on the app, you draw for Shanta twice in a row. You draw for her about Jake's brother, and now you draw for her about Muta. Look how long Jake's gonna take Shanta off a cocky. Look how long we talk about that and it done. Why Shanta now in return have to come now and make a statement? You, Rosealee, did that. You set up the little girl for that. I say because you set up the little girl for that, we're going to deal with her like an adult. We are going to deal with her like an adult. One by one, they might go up the hill for sure. Yeah. That's how we're going to do it, because less people forget the Muta argument done long time with Jake's Lipton Shanta Afakaki. Look how much weeks that gone. Eh? Of course, even Jake's brother with them said touch Shanta. It was a setup. It was a setup. Because when I told the little girl a balance fingerprint in her crutches, she can manage. She can. We don't need for ear. I wish she used to. It look like Shanta never suck soda, she suck old. I wish she used to. You never know. That is one of them understand. This is a setup. You try to set up Jake's first, it never work. Then you go again to set up his brother so that the house not done. Everything I wish Cheryl do. Yes. And it not work out that way there. So you not have no traction because people are beat your street lane, avenue and terrace, even dead end. So here where you do now, you go for Muta to switch the argument because the house are done so you no look bad in the situation. Remember you did say it not done, but yet still you want buy fridge and stove put in. Hello? When you can't beat them, you join them. You get banned from Seaview. You're not supposed to go there. It's just the truth. And a lot of you guys sit down and normalize all our behavior. Them. That's why she continue doing these things to people. Yeah, man, you go around in a circle and use your little girl with a big hole to come up and tell lie to an adult, knowing that she have to go back in the house, go sleep with the uncle. Remember, it's the same uncle we grind your top, Shanta? Yeah, family matters. I wanna say eat when I grow and grow when I eat. Remember, I want to take Roger Clark seriously. Eat where you grow and grow where you eat. I set up all of this. So when time people come and talk about, don't talk about the little girl like that. Don't talk, the mother use the little girl in some nasty situation. And I must not speak about her like that. And the mother don't care. What she need for this to go up at the school, go check about Shanta. Shanta teacher want to know how Rosealee stay if she lose or gain weight. Remember, Shanta was the first one to carry Rosealee them go court. When come like when forget. When come like when forget so that baby when she was 9, she was the first to carry Rosealee to court. Remember, she go and tell teacher say she not like her living condition and her mother big and careless. Remember them say them not get no supervision and attention. Remember the kids them used to go to school in front of teachers smell like overnight food. Remember the Rosealee pit them used to smell like morning bread cause them teeth no brush. Remember, it come like Unina remember say Shanta was the first to prison Rosealee. It come like Unina remember all of them something here. Wanna forget the good old days, you know. Wanna forget the good old days. Shanta was the one who brings CDA in Rosalee's life. From she had 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roger na have this. Yeah. Shanta was the first to bring Rosealee and Roger finger the court. Shanta, she was the first. Let me tell you that I saw CDA coming at the life, and nobody call CDA. It's the school. Yeah, it's the school. Yeah, enough of them never there for chew my baby. So when them hear me attack, they must say, oh my God. That's why Jakes and Rosealee is afraid of Shanta. She not ramp to take up the phone and call 911. She not ramp. That's why them not take, them not trouble her. She not ramp. She not tabaka. That's why when Jakes talk about him, I got discipline and he's going to do all of this. They don't play with Shanta. No fun never know all of them something at all. Well, let me remind you guys. Remember say from Shanta about 7, 8 or 9, she a wash clothes to Jakes, Rosalie and Barbara, plus herself. That's why them ever look dirty at school. Remember them go school without eating breakfast. Remember Rosalie picking them did they pan part, pass, and part participle. Remember the government used to be a Rosalie kids on them shoulder. I una alone remember them something yeah. I una alone still gonna play cute and dumb. Me not depend that we don't know. Me not depend that with uno. Cause nothing no go like una lapse in memory. And go shop all 3 o'clock at night, go buy weed, cigarette and Red Bull. I remember.
Coconut water.
Don't give me no other. Yeah. Not with them. It's true them. It's true. So everybody talk about, oh, she's a child. Oh, Rosalie is a good mom. Remember, says her offspring called CD. I make CD in them family up to today, dear. And the baby go to the school and Rosalie class the teachers. Remember? So till she turn on and class all CDA workers and all I know she not class her big old daughter, Shanta. Yeah. Rosalie sitting with her picnic them and don't even get up to give them breakfast. Not even a cup of lime leaf tea. And say drink this Belchanga school, go join the part program line. Not even that. The little girl have to dress the little boy and the little boy have to dress back the little girl and the two of them all and then come out like Mickey and Mouse. Remember when Rosalie and Jakes kick off, you know, and when she decide to friend back Jakes because Jakes not appear in her mind, Rosalie calling Jakes all after 9 to 10 we go look off a turkey neck and rice so that the pit them can eat. Appear night near Rosalie piece out her hole. Yeah, turkey neck and rice in hours a night, so you know that not clean up, that not strip, but you would eat it anyway. Remember them not used to food? Them not used to food. Yeah. But anyways, who else can we chat? Enough for Agali now and our own daughter, Shanta. Who else can we chat? Enough for Agali